So you've opened Excel and now you're staring at this big grid full of boxes. Looks a bit scary, right? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most basic but most important thing in Excel: how to enter data. You'll learn how to type text, how to type numbers, how to enter dates, and how Excel understands them differently. It's super simple once you see it. Let's start. What is a cell in Excel? Every small box in Excel is called a cell. That's where you enter your data. You click on any cell, you'll see a green border, and you just start typing. Whatever you type stays inside that box. When you press enter, Excel moves to the cell below. When you press tab, it goes to the cell on the right. That's how you move around. Entering text in Excel. Let's say you want to type a name. Click on cell A1 and type Ravi Kumar. That's it. You just enter text. Text can be anything. Names, city, email address, yes or no. Any word or sentence. Few tips. Text is automatically left aligned in the cell. If the text is too long, it might overflow into the next cell. Don't worry, it's still in the first cell. Use wrap text from Home tab if you want the full text to stay visible inside the same box. If this is already helping you, do a quick tap on the like button. It tells me you want more simple Excel tutorials like this. Entering numbers in Excel now, numbers are slightly different. Click on cell B1 and type 2500, press enter. Done. Excel knows it's a number, so it will automatically align it to the right. You can use this in formulas later, like adding, subtracting. Examples of numbers you can enter: 100, 3.1, 49, 9999, negative 45. Important: don't type a comma or currency symbol manually, like rupee or dollar. Just type the number. You can format it as currency later. If you type 2500 rupees, Excel may treat it as text, not number. That can cause issues in formulas. Entering dates in Excel, click on cell C1 and type 15/August 2025 or 15-August 2025. Excel will automatically turn it into proper date format. You'll know Excel accepted it as a date if it moves the value to the right side of the cell. If you click the cell, it shows up in the formula bar in date format. You can also format it however you want. Right-click the cell. Format cells, date. Choose formats like 15 August 2025, 15/8/25, August 15, 2025. Bonus tip: never enter dates like 15.0, 8.25. Excel may not read it as a date. If you're finding these small things useful, don't forget to subscribe, because the next few videos will take you step by step from beginner to Excel Pro. What if Excel doesn't understand your entry? Sometimes you type something and it looks weird. For example, you type 0012, but Excel shows 12. Excel removes the starting zero. It thinks it's a number. Solution: if you want Excel to keep the 00, type an apostrophe first. Apostrophe 0012. This tells Excel, hey, treat this as text. Another example, you type 10/12 and Excel turns it into a date. Solution: if you didn't want a date, again use an apostrophe. 10/12. So remember, apostrophe. Force Excel to treat something as text entering data in multiple cells. Quickly, you don't have to enter everything one by one. Let's say you want to enter names in column A. Click a 1, type a name. Press enter. Type the next one in A2. Keep pressing enter after each entry. It's like filling a form, one box at a time. Or you can press tab if you're going across in one row. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes fast, like typing on autopilot. Recap. Text is left aligned, like names or city names. Numbers are right aligned, used in formulas. Dates are also right aligned and automatically formatted. Use apostrophe, martas, to stop Excel from converting your input. Use wrap text and format cells to make data look clean. And that's it. This is how you enter data in Excel the right way. Seems basic, but this is the base of everything else. Formulas, charts, tables, all of it starts here. If this video helped, do like, share, and subscribe. You'll get all the future videos straight on your YouTube home. No searching needed. Next video, we'll learn autofill and flash fill, two small tools that save a lot of time when entering data. You'll love that one. See you there.